In Pythagoras, you can now make templates for the layout of your length profiles or cross-sections. When we go to our length profile interface, first we make sure that our data is added correctly. So we will show the height of our stockpile and our path data. We can set a fixed interval, and for each row, we can decide to apply this. You can now change this in the section Dimensions and apply it by checking this box. For the representation of the graph, there are two separate line settings, graph lines and foot lines. You can change these to your preferred style, width, or color. You can show or hide the graph line and can also make the foot lines opaque. Good to know is that you can now also connect your personal line styles from your library. But now I'm going to choose dash and click OK. For the dimensions, you can change the height of the row, change the title text, and you can also change the properties for this title. For instance, change the font to Verdana and the point size to 12. Then you'll get this result. You can also change the dimension text properties. And you get this result. When you've applied all these changes, you can save them as a new default by clicking on the Save button. Your final result will now always look like this. And of course, these features are also available for cross-sections when you go to this menu, and they can be stored separately. You then get the following results.